What's up, what's up? Good morning, good morning! What's down, my friend, my friend? How to fix this? Press escape in 1 seconds. Seconds, may S. To skip and start up. Let me see anything other to key. To continue. Cannot find the required map name. You must power off the CPU. Then power off the AVR. Then this one, the hard disk must be pull up this SATA cord. Then back to you must back plug in, then plug out the power cord also. Plug in, plug out also. And the SATA cord plug in, then into the SATA, and you must back on the AVR and then power on again. You must see the display. Sumpa ka pa sa akin. Ayun, naghang. Commentary. Oh, come on. And then oh, come on. Especially this one. Sabagay, hard disk pala yung error ata. Hard disk. Hard disk. And unexpected error as corrupted. And for a while, yes, we have to do. Try the hardest one. Another hard disk. Let's replace the hard disk, new one. And we have to gusto Maria oy. Connect it and connect it. And connect. Sorry, I'm wrong. Let's connect this. Okay. Yeah. Oh, sorry, on. Then you must on this. And there you go. The cost of this hard disk is maybe defective. Let's try to repair it. Seagate. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like my video. Please leave a like, share, and comment how to fix this problem. Thank you. See you for the next video. preparation.